Kafka Streams is a powerful yet easy-to-use Java development library that's included as part of the open-source Apache Kafka and the Confluent platform. Kafka Streams focuses on reading data that is already available in Kafka and writing data back into Kafka. With Kafka Streams, it's easy to build your own fast data or stream processing applications. Let's take a closer look at Kafka Streams usage and some core concepts behind it. While there's a lot of work being done around stream processing for analytics, frameworks like Apache Spark, Storm, and Flink, Kafka Streams is focused on building core applications and microservices that process data streams. In short, Kafka Streams is recommended for the broad area of application development. Stream processing works just like any other application that you're developing at your company. However, there's no need for a separate isolated cluster. You would use Kafka Streams for anything that's considered fast data, regardless of whether that represents small or big data volume. You can use it to implement reactive and stateful applications for event-driven systems and for continuous transformations and queries of data. While Kafka Streams isn't necessarily intended to be used for the heavy lifting of data science or data mining applications, it can be adapted to such use cases when necessary. One of our goals with Kafka Streams is to make complicated things such as distributed stream processing both simple and easy by minimizing the moving parts of stream processing. Kafka Streams has framework-free processing, meaning it doesn't need to be installed because it's a library and can be added to your client applications just like any other library. Kafka Streams runs as part of your client application. As a result, you do not need an additional cluster because Kafka Streams allows you to stay lean and lightweight, making tables and stateful processing fully integrated into the stream processor itself. You can use the same code and concepts on a local development laptop, a few machines, or even large-scale deployments. In addition, Kafka Streams separates packing and deployment from stream processing framework. An application that uses Kafka Streams is just another Java application, so you can choose whatever development infrastructure works best with your company. Kafka Streams works in many frameworks and gives dynamic elasticity in managing processes. Since it builds directly on Kafka's primitives, Kafka Streams is actually quite small. The full code base is less than 9,000 lines of code. This means the additional complexity you incur beyond Kafka's own producer and consumer client is minimal. This plays out in dozens of small ways. For example, the inputs and outputs are just Kafka topics. The data model is just Kafka's keyed record data model throughout. The partitioning model is just Kafka's partitioning model. Tables and other stateful computations are just log compacted topics. Metrics are unified across the producer, consumer, and streams app, so there is only one type of metric to capture for monitoring. The position of your app is maintained by the application's offsets, just as any Kafka consumer. The timestamp used for windowing is the timestamp being added to Kafka itself, providing you with event time processing. As you can see, these capabilities make Kafka Streams a compelling choice for building use cases such as stream processing applications, continuous queries and transformations, and microservices. Please visit our website for other videos with more detail about the key features that make Kafka Streams so powerful and easy to use.